Crankshaft grinding is solution to crankshaft damage? I think the answer is yes. 98% of crankshaft damage can be repaired by grinding. Let's go to a crankshaft and let's see how crankshaft grinding can help you to revive your crankshaft. Now this is a crankshaft. A crankshaft. Let's define the word crankshaft grinding. Grinding simply means a tiny layer of a journal will be removed in order to have this smooth crankshaft again. For example, let us assume that you have metal spoon, that is the face of any of this journal is becomes rough and it's not smooth again. Each time you put metal there, it always causes damage. What you have to do, you can go for crankshaft grinding. When crankshaft is being grinded, it will help you to still have a smooth surface of the crankshaft. Before you have to do that, you have to check, does that crankshaft have metal? In most cases, all engine come with a standard metal or bearing. When the crankshaft is being grounded, some tiny surface of the journal will be removed. Then a thicker metal will now be used in order to compensate for the crankshaft that has been grounded. That now means if a crankshaft is bad, a journal is bad, you can grind it to 010. But if the cut is deeper, then the crankshaft can go for 020 or 030. That is what it meant by crankshaft grinding. Yes, you can grind a crankshaft, but you have to know, is that metal available? If the metal is not available, then there's no point in grinding the crankshaft. You have to replace it. But if you can construct a metal for it, it will still good. So when the crankshaft has a problem, you don't need to replace it just like that. You can go for grinding. So when you grind the crankshaft, it helps your crankshaft to still work and enjoy the smooth surface. But you have to take it to a professional. Something you can do it by yourself. You take it to a machine shop where the crankshaft will be ground, and when it's being grounded, you can still enjoy the crankshaft. But the question is, can you grind a particular face? For example, let us assume this is a two-cylinder crankshaft. It's only this face that has problem. Only this face can be grounded. But if this face is now standard and this face is now 010, you have problem because you might not remember which one is 010 when you are rebuilding the engine. So what I usually do is that if I ground this face to 010, I go for 010 here too. Your main journal can still remain standard. But if you are grounding your main journal, let all of them be equal. If this one is 010, 010, 010. If you are maintaining standard too, if one is standard, let it be standard. If your con rod will be grounded, maintain it. But if you still want to grant only a specific journal, you can still do it. But when you are rebuilding the engine next time, you need to remember the very phase that is 010 and the very phase that's been granted and the phase that remains standard. That is what I will talk about crankshaft grinding. So a crankshaft grinding could be a solution to crankshaft damage if the damage is done on the journal and it's not too deep and there's metal. For that, you can simply go for that. I found that video that talk about common issue on crankshaft that you need to know.